Okay, so here's an example. Let's journalize the following transactions of all sports. So on May 4th, we issued 29,000 shares of no par common stock at $5 per share. Okay, should be pretty straightforward. May 4th, since it's no par common stock, all the proceeds will go to common stock. So we'll debit cash for 29,000 shares times the issue price of $5 per share, which I believe is 145,000, and then we will credit common stock for the same amount. And again, that's because it was no par and no stated value, so the entire proceeds get credited to common stock. Then on July 22nd, it says we purchased 1,000 shares of Treasury stock at $4 per share. Well, we'll debit Treasury stock at cost, which was 1,000 shares times $4, so 4,000, and we credit cash because we had to pay for it when we bought it for the same amount, $4,000. That's what we wrote a check for when we were all done. Now on November 22nd, it says we sold 500 shares of Treasury stock at $7 per share. So we know we're going to debit cash for the amount of the proceeds, 500 times $7, which is 3,500. We're going to go ahead and credit our Treasury stock at what we paid for it, which will be 500 shares times the $4 per share that we paid for it, which is 2,000. And the difference gets credited to paid in capital in excess for our Treasury stock, which is $1,500. Thank you.